Hi, this is Tim Myers. I'm responding to your Craigslist ad, and I have quite a few of the experiences that you're looking for, and in particular Excel, which I have used for quite a few years to do data acquisition. Although I do have Pasco Scientific. Whenever I add a new device, I add devices I can only add to their softwares for their hardware, and that doesn't mate well with things that I come up with myself. For instance, this arrangement here, where I'm using a propeller microcontroller, is a classic example. Excuse me. And there we go. This particular dialog allows me to control. Wish I could get them both of you at the same time. And yeah, that just does not work well filming my screen. Tilt the angle here. Is that going to come in any better? Yeah, probably not. Wow, I didn't think I'd have this issue. So there is a scroll bar here in my dialog. As I adjust it, my software allows me to adjust the location of my servo as an example. And when I use the LC tank, I should probably explain it. Well, that's for another subject. Anyway, I have an object that I can pass through the core of the object that I created, and then tie the servo to that object, and I have a quasi-sensor, I guess you'd say. And using a remote control, I can gather data to illustrate what exactly makes it function. And you can see the notch curve for the center of the tank, and then get that adjusted better. And I can lay down an electronic chalk line, shove a metal object into the core, record again, and compare the two waveforms in Excel. So it's actually two-way communication through the dialog I've constructed. And it's a great little demo for why not all current flows in the wires. In this particular case, some current is flowing through the brass tube.